Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, determine the two numbers nearest to 20,000 which are exactly divisible by 5, 3, 7 and 4. Now, the numbers which are exactly divisible by 5, 3, 7 and 4 are the multiples of the least common multiple of the given numbers. Okay. So, now the least common multiple is, here it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. It means 420 is the least common multiple. Now, let us divide 20,000 by 420. We get remainder 260. Okay. So, nearest number to 20,000 which is less than 20,000 is divisible by 420, which is exactly divisible by 420 is 20,000 minus that remainder, it means 260. So it is 19,740. Okay. Now, we need to find the nearest number to and greater than 20,000. That is exactly divisible by 420. Okay. Exactly divisible by 420. So, in order to get the next number that is divisible by 420, we have the next number as that is exactly divisible by 420. We need to add 420 to 19,740 in order to get next number. Okay, so it will be 19,740 plus 420. So it is 20,160. So the required two numbers be 19,740 and 20,160. That is, our correct option is option B. Means the required two numbers be 19,740 and 20,160. So our correct option is option B.